Welcome to Mama Ami's kitchen. Today, Mama Ami is going to show us how to make shiro.
እንኳን ወደ ማማ አሚ ኪችን መጣችሁ። አሁን ሽሮ ለመስራት እየተዘጋጀሁ ነው።
Thanks, Mama Ami. So before starting, you're going to need the following ingredients. 1 cup of shiro, half a cup of oil, 2 medium onions, 1 tomato, 3 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of ground ginger and garlic mixed, 1 teaspoon of blended spices, that's white seed, black seed, and Ethiopian cardamom. So, Mama Ami, how do you make your famous shiro?
First I peel the onion and I chopped it. After that I put it on the pot. I stir it up to brown. After that I put tomato.
Perfect. So, when was your first time making shiro?
Oh, I am a child. My mom let me to do it. When I tried, the shiro is thick. I don't know how to do it. My mom said, "Adelam, እንደዛ አይደለም ውሃ ጨምሪበት." After that I put water. It will be loose. And my mom said, "Good, you know it now."
I love that story. Okay, so let's get back to cooking. So what do we do now?
Now I put the pot on the fire and I put the chopped onion in the pot. After that I put oil and I stir it.
Perfect.
Okay, this is the brown one. Now toasted this one, you put the tomato together. And with the tomato cook, you put the water.
Also, don't forget to add the ground garlic and ginger mix.
Yeah.
Mom, I have a question. Do you always cook with your diamonds on?
Diamond? Yeah, sometimes I like diamond. My children buy for me. I am happy. I don't know. I am glad. It is diamond. Now when you stir like 10 minutes the tomato, and now you put 1 cup water as you need it. As you want. You want more, you can put more. You can add more water like 2 cups. You can mix
Whoa,
water.
careful with that water, Mama Ami. So how do you know when the shiro is the right consistency?
ሽሮውን ስነሰንስበት ሳማስለው ቲክ ወፍራም ከሆነ ውሃ ጨምርበታለሁ። ቀጭን ከሆነ ደግሞ እመለከተዋለሁ። ከዛ በኋላ ያሉትን ኢንግሪዲየንት ቅመሞች እጨምርና ከተንተከተከ በኋላ ከ10 ደቂቃ በኋላ አወጣዋለሁ ቀምሼ።
Okay, so you just wait to see if it's a medium thickness,
Yeah.
and then that way you know if it's ready. So you just feel it out
Yeah.
and add more water as needed. Okay, so now you put the 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of the spice blend, so the white seed, the black seed, and the Ethiopian cardamom, and you're stirring it in together, right?
Also add little water because the shiro is thick.
Okay, so what do you do next?
I cut the hot pepper 4 places and I put it inside for tasty.
Okay, so you just let it boil?
Yeah.
Wow, that's looking really good and smells amazing.
Yeah, you can eat by injera now or by pita, anything you want, by bread, you can do it.
Yum.
ቆንጆ ሽሮ ነው። መልኩ ሁሉ ያምራል። ያው እንጀራ ላይ አፍስሶ መኮምኮም ነው።
Yeah, that looks amazing. Thanks, Mama Ami.
በጣም ይጣፍጣል።